Today is August 18th, 2025. The time is 12:32 p.m. My name is Ken Sire, and I'm a regulatory law judge with the Missouri Public Service Commission, and I will preside over this hearing. The Commission has set this time for a local public hearing to give members of the public a chance to comment about the application of Ameren Transmission Company of Illinois for a certificate of convenience and necessity relating to a transmission line and associated facilities in Perry County, which is Commission Case Number EA-2025-0222. The Commission regulates the rates charged by public utility companies in Missouri to ensure that those rates are just and reasonable. The Commission also regulates the quality of service and the safety of the operations of public utilities. The Commission has 5 commissioners, although there is currently a vacancy. They are appointed by the governor and confirmed by the Senate. The Commission employs a staff of engineers, accountants, attorneys, financial analysts, and other specialists in the field of utility regulation. Joining us online today is Chair Kayla Hahn and Commissioners Maida Coleman, Glenn Kolkmeyer, and John Mitchell. The Commissioners have not made any decisions in this case and cannot answer questions today because they have to remain impartial until all of the evidence is presented at the evidentiary hearing in this matter. Chair Hahn, would you like to make opening remarks? If you're there, Chair Hahn.
Judge, the chair might be having issues getting unmuted. So I'll go ahead, and this is Commissioner Coleman, and thank those who are in attendance for this hearing. We are available and here to listen to the public testimony and take those concerns and comments to all of the commissioners. The fact that we may not be in person today does not mean that this is not as important as those that are face to face, because a written transcript of the meeting will be given to and read by all of the commissioners in the case. So your comments will be a part of the official record and are considered in the decision making. We know that it's the middle of the day. We thank those who are in attendance, and we look forward to hearing your comments. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Commissioner. There are attorneys here today that represent the parties in this matter, and so for the sake of the record, would each of you identify yourselves and state which party you're representing, beginning with Ameren Transmission Company of Illinois.
Yeah, this is Michael R. Tripp, Ameren Transmission Company of Illinois.
All right, thank you.
Judge Sire,
yes?
I did not catch his first name. There was some, I don't know.
You're right. There's a bit of a feedback or echo.
Right.
So, Mr. Tripp, could you tell us your first name?
Michael R. Tripp, Ameren Transmission Company of Illinois.
All right. And you said Michael R. Tripp?
Yes, that's correct, sir.
And it's T-R-I-P-P?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Thank you. Is there anyone else on behalf of Ameren Transmission Company of Illinois? All right.
No, there's not.
Okay. Thank you. And for the sake of the record, though, we've got to get your name then.
Sorry about that. This is Eric Pollock, P-A-U-L-E-K is my last name. First name Eric, E-R-I-C, and I am the project manager for Ameren Transmission.
All right, thank you. And then I see Ms. Johnson is on for the commission staff. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Tracy Johnson, T-R-A-C-Y, J-O-H-N-S-O-N, representing the commission staff, and the contact address is 200 Madison Street in Jefferson City, Missouri, and it's 65102.
Thank you. And I also see that Ms. Van Gerpen is on.
Yes, good afternoon, Judge. Lindsay Van Gerpen on behalf of the Office of the Public Counsel, and that's Lindsay and VAN capital GERPEN.
All right. Now, I have not been made aware of any people that have indicated that they wish to testify today, but I will open it up and ask, is there anyone on the line today that would like to put their comments on the record?
Just as a reminder, anyone that does want to comment should hit *6 on their phone in case they're having trouble.
Gotcha. What Commissioner Coleman is indicating is that if you are on a phone that does not have a mute button, *6 will toggle that mute function off and on. All right, if you are on the meeting today and you'd like to leave comments for the commissioners after the hearing, you may submit them via the commission's website, which is psc.mo.gov. If you go to the right side of the home page of that website, there's a link titled Submit Comments. And if you click on that link, you can enter your comments, and I would just ask that you reference this case number, EA-2025-0222. All right. Before we do end the hearing today, I will ask again, is there anyone online that would like to testify under oath? Okay. Commissioner Coleman, is there anything you'd like to add before we go off the record? Commissioner Coleman, okay, you were on mute.
I was having trouble just hitting a simple mute button. So thank you, Judge. No comments.
Okay. All right. Then I do thank everyone for their participation today, and I will adjourn the hearing, and we will go off the record. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.